Hey guys, I am your host, I am your host Subhra. So welcome to another unboxing on my channel Subhra the Geek. Sorry for the noise. Uh, so today we'll be unboxing JBL Endurance Run. It's a headphone, wired headphone by JBL. It costs around 999 or 1000 rupees INR. And it's a very good headphone. I have purchased it and I want to try it for video calling and so let's unbox this and let's have a review in the later part of the video, so stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, we have the JBL Endurance Run. So let's see what are all written on the box. So on the front side we have the flip hook, sweat proof, and it's in French if I'm not wrong. So it's a magnetic icon, I don't know. On this side we have the yellow color variant. I have got the yellow color variant, and we can see the headphones, which is sweat proof, and we get 3 ear tips which we will be seeing inside the box. And then on the back end we can see that it's priced at around 1600 rupees INR, and over here we can see hands-free calls, Apple mains. Okay, so it's in French if I'm not wrong, I don't know. So magnetic buds, then flip hook technology. So this is, and on this side we have nothing. So let's see how to unbox this. Not on this side, and on the, it's a warranty things, sports headphones, as you can see. So let's unbox this. Okay, it's a nice touch that it's magnets are given for the box. So let's see how we can take this out. Okay, so here is a seal over here. Okay, that's why it was not coming out. So just a knife through will do if I'm not wrong. And no more seals, I guess. No. So let's pop this out. Okay, it's a bit tough. Popping this out is a bit tough. Okay, we have a plug on that side. Now it should come out. No, it's not coming out. So let's see what we have. So we have the headphones itself. Over here it's tied over here, and we have the medium ear tips fit on it, as you can see, and it's made in China, as you can see. So we have 2 more tips, one is the large one and the small one, and we have some paperwork over here. Okay, so huge amount of paperwork as JBL gives. It's by Harman Kardon. So it's that, and we have another something in Chinese, I don't know what. So let's keep these things to a side and let's take a look at this headphone itself. So guys, first impressions, these headphones look pretty damn good. Let's take them out and let's see how they have a in-hand feel. So guys, here we have the headphones itself, and as you can see, it's pretty good and it feels pretty premium. It has a rubbery finish to it, and I think these are magnetic. Yeah, these are magnetic, so it will lock onto itself, and that's a nice touch, I think, nowadays. So I used to have both Rockers 225 bass head, and I wanted a new headphone for video calls and all, which I am doing currently a lot. So that's the thing I'll be using this mostly for. So let's take this out and see how large it is. Okay, so it got tangled at the very first day. It happens, it actually happens. And let me keep this knife to the side. Yeah. So here we have the headphones. It's actually a meter or so long, as you can see, and it will be a pretty good fit. So in the next part I'll be testing the earphones for a week or so, and then I'll be reviewing them in the next part. So I think you can take this out also. Yeah, it can be disconnected, as you can see, but I think this is nice. Okay, so guys, in this part of the video I'll be talking directly to its microphone, which is present over here, and you can understand in this review part how the microphone will perform on different calls. So I used it for video calls, and the other party never complained. And this flip hook is a bit uneasy for me, but I am trying this to show you guys. Extremely sorry for the camera movement. I'm trying it to show you guys how the flip hook will look. But if you do not want to use it as a flip hook, what you can do, you can swap the earphones and it will be a normal earphone like this. So this is a normal earphone mode right now, and I prefer this normal earphone mode rather than the flip hook, because I don't know, never the flip hook thing never works for me, and I don't know, my ears may be too big or not. That can be a reason. So guys, to give you an idea about the mic technology or the speaking or the voice which the other party will be hearing from this earphone, it will be quite good, and the noise cancellation is extremely good. The bass is also good, the lows and mids are also very good. So I'll be rating them in the next part, so stay tuned for that. Now guys, wear is it will tangle a lot, that's the thing, but you have to keep it safe. The wear is of good quality, it gives a so moderate to premium feel, and you'll be loving it. It has an inline microphone over here, and we have a button to take our end calls or play or pause music, and that's the main thing which is there. So the other thing, now let's come to the bass. So bass on these headphones will be pretty nice, and you will be loving to hear music, Indian music especially. We Indians are bass heads, so we love to hear Indian music which are bass heavy, and this will give you quite a good amount of bass. So in the area of bass, I'll be rating it around 8.5 out of 10, and on the area of treble, mids and lows, I'll be rating it around 8 out of 10. It's so good. On the calls especially, it was a very good, and it's a comfortable fit. I can wear this for a longer period of time, and I don't feel discomfort at all. And this is what I wanted from a earphone, the next earphone. The last one which I had was Bose 225. It was the metallic heads, and guys, what the problem which I faced with those earphones, I have been using them for 3 to 3.5 years now. So the problem which I faced with those earphones were they were heavy, and some more often they would come out of the ear, and this one, it doesn't come out of the ear so often. You can use it for running also, and that's a very good plus point which I wanted to talk about. And it's sweat proof also, so that it's very good for me with like a very sweaty guy where I sweat a lot. These headphones are pretty good for me. I use them every day, each and every day, and it has been performing great ever since. So guys, the next thing, again let's come back to bass. So in the area of bass, I gave it 8.5 out of 10. For treble, mids, lows and highs, so actually treble I gave it around 8 out of 10, and for calling I would be giving it like 9.5. I have kept some room for improvement. Obviously there are always some room for improvement, like everything is not perfect. So it's 9.5 out of 10, and music, and for longer periods of time it's quite comfortable, and you don't feel clumsy or any other thing using this headphone. The noise quality and the volume is pretty good on these headphones, and you'll be loving to use them for each and every day use. I have been using them for the video calls, and the other party never complained about anything. So, and also this part of the video, the whole review part, is being recorded via the microphone of the earphones only, so it will give you a pretty good idea about how these microphones will sound in variant conditions. While you can hear some traffic also outside, you can hear some notifications of my phone, and with that, how the headphones will perform during call quality, having heavy traffic and all. So overall, to rate it overall, I'd be more than happy to give it 8.5 out of 10. And that's the reason I tell you guys to purchase it. It has been purchased by me from amazon.com.in actually. In India it's .in. So amazon.in for 899 rupees. It was on a discount, so I got it for 899 rupees, and that's all about it. And guys, look out for discounts, and within 1000 this is a must have. You can have Audio Technica and Sennheiser 180 CX1T. Both the headphones are very good, but actually they don't have mic, and I needed a headphone with microphone, so that I can communicate on my video calls and all. So that's why I purchased this one, and it's doing great job for microphones and for video calls or calling purpose, and also for listening to music, listening to podcasts, and I love them. So guys, I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding this headphone and why I think this is one of the best headphones for video calling right now. Wired headphones for video calling. So guys, stay tuned for more updates. If you like this kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't, we can always be friends. There is no issue. If you would subscribe to my channel, it would help me a lot, and if you would kindly share, that would also help me a lot to reach as many audience as I can. And if you want to talk to me, I have my Discord server link down below, so you can talk me out over there, reach me out over there, and all my social media handles are over there, so go and check them out and follow for more updates. So guys, that's it for the day. I am your host Subhra, signing off. Bye bye.